mode 1. 15 minutes is mode 2. Mode 1 is 5 minutes. So, if a person wants to make sure that the water they're drinking is, hydrogenated or rich in hydrogen, just let them put their own bottle. Okay, put their own bottle, at least all of you can enjoy the hydrogen water. And you will be able to use it not only once, you will be able to use it for so many years. Some of the leaders who already have this 2 years or 3 years ago, but until now they're still using it too. Yes. So just imagine, my dear friends, of how much money you will be able to save. Because if you're going to buy the other products that I showed, you need to buy it for everyone in the family, not only you. Okay? If you have 5 people in the family, you buy hydrogen water online around 11 to 60,000 naira, 1 liter only. But this one, if you have this, you can use it for so many years. It doesn't have expiration date. So as long as you have this, you can enjoy the hydrogen water, you can enjoy the benefits. It can increase your immune system, prevents the formation of kidney stones. It can help you to lessen the allergic reactions that you have, especially if you have allergic reaction to dust, to pollen, or to any other kind of allergy. It can also help you to lessen the bad cholesterol inside of your body, triglyceride, and increase the good levels of cholesterol that protects your heart. I cannot say all of the benefits of the hydrogen water because, my dear leaders, human clinical studies alone is 800. What more the benefits? Do we have a great product using this? Okay. So, now, my dear leaders, okay, you will let me here. Okay. Anyway, this one, in order for you to always use it, we will be giving you, your charger. It has a charger inside. Okay. And this one is already, USB. Yes.
How many minutes?
It's not minutes, it's hours. Okay, at least 2 hours. But if if by example you want to go out immediately, at least 1 hour. Anyway, once you charge it will last for so many days. So this one I haven't charged it yet since I opened the box. Since last week until now I'm still using it. So once you charge it for 2 hours, you can use it for the whole week or even 2 weeks. Okay, so that's how powerful this product is. Okay, and some other things that you need to know about this product is inside of the box once you avail it, such as this one. Okay, if you forget the things that I mentioned, it's inside of this one. Okay, you will see this paper. Okay, if you receive your own, read the paper. Okay, read the paper because it talks about the warranty. Now, for example, by any chance, the one that you receive somehow it's not like this one. There's no bubbles at all. So you can return it back. We will replace it with another one that is working. But before we actually give it to you, we check it. Okay, and you are there so that you are sure that the one that you're going to buy is new. It's working. And we don't want to mahala on ourselves. So apart from that, if by accident or maybe you've been using it for too long already, the machine is not working. Okay, what you're going to do is just to give it to us and we will bring it to Korea again because they are the manufacturers. They're the one who's going to fix it. Though it will take time because the shipping, everything, going back and fixing. Okay, that is if you already exceeded the warranty period. Okay, because this one has a warranty after all, this one is a device. This is a machine. Okay. So it's finished. Okay. It will inform you that it's already finished. You can drink the water.
Wow.
Okay, so now, Ma'am Vera, I'll share the hydrogen water.
Okay, excuse me, ma'am. Please, how many liter is the bottle itself.
750.
750.
Yes,
5
yes,
cl.
750 ml.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, that one's-
so that's how you're restaurants. Yes.
Mom, you said if someone is already down with sickness,
Yes.
break the bottle twice.
Yes.